you very much. Elections have come and gone. The winner has emerged, and therefore it is necessary for all Nigerians to rally around to give you the necessary support for the interests of Nigeria. And everybody is expecting, everyone can wait till May 29th to see that the president has been inaugurated, and then from there he kick the ground rolling to make sure that Nigerians get what they expect. I'm confident that he has what it takes to turn Nigeria around. I have that confidence.
I came here to basically pay homage to the president-elect and to let him know that elections are over. This is governance, and we will do our best, to give him support for good governance of Nigeria.